Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos Gordon Ramsay style. First, for his Texas hanger steak tacos, generously season your hanger steak with salt and pepper. Sear it in a hot skillet with olive oil for about 2 minutes on each side to get a perfect crust. While the steak cooks, prepare a fresh pico de gallo with diced tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Don't forget to char nopal cactus pads on the grill for 2 minutes per side. Then dice and mix them into your pico for an authentic touch. Next, let's dive into Gordon Ramsay's crispy fish tacos. Begin by dredging white fish fillets, like cod or tilapia, in flour, then coat them in a light beer batter. Fry the fish in about 2 centimeters of hot oil for approximately 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden and crispy. For the sauce, whisk together mayonnaise, Mexican crema, paprika, and a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. You can add a half teaspoon of chipotle chili powder for an extra kick. Gordon Ramsay also offers fantastic shrimp and breakfast taco options. For shrimp tacos, season jumbo shrimp with cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, and a squeeze of lime. Cook them quickly in a hot skillet for just a few minutes until they turn pink and are perfectly tender. If you're craving breakfast tacos, scramble eggs with flavorful ingredients like chorizo, chopped cremini mushrooms, and a touch of serrano chili for a delicious morning meal. To elevate any taco, consider making your own seasoning blend with chili powder, cumin, oregano, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for controlled heat. Always warm your corn tortillas on a grill or in a dry skillet until they are soft and pliable, ready for your delicious fillings. Then, assemble your tacos with your chosen protein, fresh toppings, and a drizzle of sauce. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.